Hey guys, this is Clinton Jeff and the Vivo U20 was just announced in India today. Kicking off my review, here's a quick unboxing. The Vivo U20 seems like a pretty interesting phone in that it has a massive 5000 mAh battery, there's fast charging, and there's still a triple camera at the back as well, which on paper makes it sound like this phone is going to be incredible value for money. But as usual, kicking off my review, here's a quick unboxing so you know what you get in that box. Okay, so it's pretty much your usual box with the Vivo logo right there and the U20 branding. You can see this is the 6GB RAM, 64GB ROM version, which I have to check out. And at the back, you get a quick list of all the specs. So what's interesting about this phone is that it has a Snapdragon 675, but the 5000 mAh battery is being shown off as its main key feature. In all the marketing materials, see that they're showing off the 5000 mAh battery, and they're also talking about the 18-watt fast charging, which is still pretty appreciated. And after all of that, it also has an AI triple rear camera, which again is totally appreciated. All right, so let's get to unboxing this. All right, so you open up the box. And the first thing you have is this little sleeve here, which has the case, which is definitely appreciated. You guys know I like it when you get a case with the phone, just so you get protection from the second that you take your phone out of the box. All right, I'm just gonna put this here. Along with that, you have the SIM card remover tool. And you have the usual product information, a quick start guide on how to use your new Vivo phone, and the warranty information as usual. All right. So apart from that, you have the main event, which is the Vivo U20 right here. I'm just gonna open that up. All right, so you can see that the phone actually does look quite nice. Kind of got a little boring color here, but all in all, it's not too bad. The phone does look quite nice, and even from the front, it does look pretty much like a usual phone nowadays. What's interesting to see is the triple rear cameras at the back. It's so cool to see that, you know, even phones at this price range come with a triple camera now. You can see that the notch isn't too bad either, which is pretty appreciated. All right, I'll set this up after I do the rest of the unboxing, so I'm just gonna keep this here for now. All right, apart from that, you have the 18-watt fast charger. There's very few phones nowadays that actually have fast charging in this price range, so this is definitely appreciated. In addition to that 5000 mAh battery, I'm just going to put this here. And then lastly, you have the charging cable, which I'm assuming, there you go, is micro USB. So unfortunately not a Type-C port. That might be the only disadvantage so far. But all in all, not too bad. All right, so that's the Vivo U20. Looks nice enough. It's your usual FunTouch OS operating system on top of Android, which looks decent enough, not too bad. Coming to the camera, you can see that there is the telephoto lens. There's the ultra-wide-angle camera as well. And there's also the ability to use that wide camera for super macro mode, which is again appreciated. All in all, it does seem like a nice enough phone. As usual, guys, if you have any questions about it, you can let me know right in the comment section below, or you can reach out to me directly on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. All right, guys, that was a quick unboxing of the Vivo U20. As always, if you have any questions about this phone, let me know right in the comment section below, or you can ask me right over on Instagram or Twitter at Clinton Jeff. And hey, if this video was helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like button right below, or maybe subscribe, because that would be appreciated. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next one.